Takal ni Sir ni meron siyang Mini Cooper. Yan. Ay, super man. Si Super man, oh. Wow. Come on, let's go.
Wait,
Drive your car.
can we go to the park?
Later.
I'm stuck. What do I do?
Itong bangkada na, malaki na siya eh. Natakalan na aja sakay na. I think you need a bigger car.
Huh?
Yeah, because the car is too small.
No, I didn't.
Huh?
Wait,
Oh yeah, the four wheels just like that. It's bigger than that.
look.
Huh?
Like this?